What would you say if I told you that the voice you're listening to right now is not a real person? And what would you say if I told you that people are willing to pay hundreds of dollars a pop for voiceovers generated from a software such as this one, and thousands of dollars for ready-made videos that include a voiceover? In fact, here's proof that we're getting paid like kings every day for selling voiceover, translation, and video services online on marketplaces like Fiverr, Upwork, Warrior Plus, and so on. Voiceovers are worth an annual $4.4 billion, but it's hard, long work, and you need to be a good actor with impeccable English to begin with. Now imagine you could tap into the voiceover market in any language and be able to sell jaw-dropping voiceovers to clients with just 3 simple steps, in 2 minutes and with just 1 click. ProfitVoice is the ultimate voiceover creator, instant translator, and video editor. This cloud-based software will turn any text into a beautiful voiceover complete with voice inflections and different talking styles. It's simply put your own army of voiceover artists working for you 24/7. Not only that, it also comes with instant translation in 75 languages, so you can publish videos and articles in unlimited international languages as well to take advantage of it. So go ahead right now and click the buy button below to get started. We're already waiting for you inside ProfitVoice.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mike of the MikeMbadiwe.com, where I review and promote cloud-based products, info products, and training courses that generally help you elevate your business and your life to the next level. If you need to make money online and your intention is to make money online, here on my channel, I review software products, training courses, and generally info products or anything that will help you know how to make money online. And today I have another amazing, very important voiceover product which is called ProfitVoice, and this one is going live today, the 19th of May 2022 at exactly 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that's New York time for you, which I believe should be about 5 p.m. in the evening Central European time, and of course GMT, it should be 4 p.m. GMT, and like I said, 11 a.m. US New York time. Okay, in a nutshell, this one is being put out there by the great affiliate Mike McKay and his partner Radu, and in a nutshell, this is an application, a software that is going to help you create voiceovers for your videos for marketing. And of course, these videos you can monetize on TikTok, on YouTube, Instagram, or any of these platforms where you can do your marketing. Imagine a situation where you have a video that you create and then you use these human sounding voices to do a voiceover that, and of course sell these things on Upwork, Fiverr, and Warrior Plus, and a lot of other marketplaces where you can sell these services to clients all over the world. And you can imagine how much that is going to be making you. And this software, for me, I think Mike came up with something very crazy here. And if, as such, this is one product that you may require, I will encourage you to definitely use the first link below in my description area. And that link will generally, of course, bring you to the amazing bonus page of mine where we are. And when you get here, automatically you'll be able to pick up a copy of this using this link up here. And of course, there are other blue links scattered all over this page so that you can get a copy. And when you do click any of them, when you get here from the link on my description area, you'll be able to get access to the sales page of this amazing voiceover software. And definitely you'll be able to pick up a copy of this with all the links that are scattered all over here. And you'll be able to check out on this one on my Warrior Plus account. When you do, I will show you the amazing bonuses that will be waiting for you on my Warrior Plus. Bonus number 1, bonus number 2, bonus number 3, bonus number 4, and bonus number 5. All these crazy, amazing, including all the vendor bonuses, will be waiting for you on my Warrior Plus account when you do pick up this product. And if as such you pick it up, and under your purchase history on my Warrior Plus account, you'll find a page that looks like this. This one green button will give you access to Voice Profit and ProfitVoice, and of course this blue one will give you access to my amazing bonuses. And there, if you have any issues, and you can always get in touch with this email address, all this will appear on your purchase history on my Water Plus account so that you can see that everything is structured to, including the very bonuses that I have arranged for you, will definitely take you. Imagine when you do these voiceover videos and you have this very hack that is going to teach you how to get traffic, including targeted traffic, to such a video where you have embedded your affiliate links for ClickBank Marketplace, for Warrior Plus, JVZoo, and all the other marketplaces, and any other offer you have there, as long as it has to do with your URL link where people can click it, including pay-per-click. Everything is ironed out and you'll be able to drive traffic with this. I have all this tailored to actually help you automate a situation where you can make up to from 0 to 1,000 per day on autopilot, where you make money while you sleep. Because Warren Buffett said, if you live this life at some point or at any time in the course of your life and you are not able to make money while you sleep, then definitely you will do 9 to 5 all your life. And this is the amazing information this is bringing to us now. You can always take advantage of this. And with that said, let us take a look at what this is all about. Now, the creator, Mike McKay, and his partner, Radu, said that this very software is going to help you create, edit, and sell unlimited voiceovers, translations, and videos for a low price. However, let me also show you the amazing bonus page, the members area of this one, where you have access to. We will come to this as soon as we are able to get through with this one, so that you can see exactly what this is all about. Now, is a brand new voiceover killer software that turns written text into human speech in multiple languages in minutes. And of course, you can, with this very software, say goodbye to paying hundreds of dollars from voiceover artists on Fiverr. And of course, video editor and translation is as well as included in various languages. Okay, and then of course, it is what it is. Fully-fledged cloud software solution, fastest way to dominate the 4.4 billion voice acting industry and create jaw-dropping $10 plus EPC voiceovers using ProfitVoice proprietary technology. And of course, you have sell voiceover services to other people with inbuilt commercial license, generate 100% unique content in any niche using proprietary artificial intelligence technology, and you create voiceovers in any language using ProfitVoice perfect AI translator, and one-time payment only, no ongoing fees for subscriptions, and it is 100% newbie friendly, easy to use software, and of course full commercial rights. Offer these incredible services to your own clients on Fiverr or any of the marketplaces. So it's basically a good one as long as I am concerned. And with that said, let us look at the amazing pricing for this one. Here it says the front end goes for $17, and here you have actually a downsell of $15, which means there's a discount of $2, which will give you, instead of $17, at $15 for just a crazy business in a box software like this for $15. So that's very good. And here you have the upgrade number 1, which I believe is the unlimited version of this. And this unlimited version for this very front end voice ProfitVoice goes for $26.93. Very cheap for that matter. One is, if there is any shortfall, you will be able to cover it with this very upgrade number 1, which is the downsell. This is the amount, original amount. This is the downsell, the discount amount. And of course, here you have the upgrade number 3, which goes for $26.93 as well. Upgrade number 4 should be this. Yes, and upgrade number 4 should be $97 downsell. Here you have upgrade number 7, $97, and upgrade number 8, you have $67. And this is the IMX bundle. This is the seller rights and IMX. And of course, reseller. These are all the downsells of this very upgrades. So you have everything, and I think one of them is the done for you. This should be the done for you, which is this. The done for you goes for as little as $26.93. You can get everything set up for you so that you can begin to create and monetize the videos you're making with this ProfitVoice application. So it's crazy. I can recommend it. Now, here are the amazing benefits that I've read to you, which at your convenience you can read. And of course, you have 30-day money back guarantee in case there is anything, or if there is no reason whatsoever and you want to return this after a month, you can be able to do so without any problems. And this, of course, takes care of the bonus page and all the bonuses that I have for you, which I have shown you before. Let's run through it again. These are all the amazing benefits and, of course, bonuses that I have for you. All the vendor bonuses is number 5. All the affiliate marketing tutorial for beginners, and you have how to convert your traffic fast, which is important, and how to get traffic to any link, including targeted traffic, and 0 to 1,000 per day on autopilot. And with that said, let us take a look at the very members area, the software itself. Here you have the home text to speech. In case you write your speech after the correction and you think it's okay, this very technology will be able to use the artificial intelligence there to convert it to speech, and then you can do your voiceover on your videos. You can do a video and then add the voiceover using this and sell to other people, and people can hire you if you have a gig on Fiverr, and you'll be able to market the information and all the things done with this very application, ProfitVoice. And here you have the translation capability, where you can translate to any language, and then this voiceover will take it up from there. And here you have the profile. Everything is included here, and of course you will always have access to the training, and you can do all this with Google characters, Total characters, Amazon characters, IBM characters, and Azure characters. Everything is included here. So at your convenience, when you buy this product, you will have access to this amazing dashboard area and go through the training and be able to begin to make money using this amazing software. Now, with that said, let us take a look at a very sales page for this very product so that you can see exactly what it's all about. Let us see if we can look. It has 3 basic steps, which is always natural, and log into stunning cloud-based voice over translation and video editor software, which is ProfitVoice. And then step number 2, paste any text to ProfitVoice and select the language you want, and of course you download your new voiceover or add it to inbuilt video editor with the simplicity, with AI simplicity within seconds, and that will definitely do the job. And then you can hand it over to your own clients and make money. Okay, if you go to Fiverr, you will find out what this very capability can do for you there. Now, these are all the things you will be able to find out, and the testimonials, everything is included here. You will be able to find out. Let's see if we can locate the amazing vendor bonuses from the vendor so that you can see what this is all about and see what you stand to gain if you pick up a matter of fact this very one. And if you look at the caliber of people who are giving testimonials, you definitely approve of this product. And with that said, I think you have the vendor bonuses will be there located for you on the members area so that you can benefit from that. And with that said, we will come to the end of this one at this moment, and of course I will make sure I come back to you in my next review. If you are new to my channel, this is the time to like, subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment, and of course use the bell button to get notifications whenever I upload any content on my channel. And with that, I will come back to you in my next review. Till then, this is Mike of the Mbadiwe.com coming to you as always from here, and from me, from here, it's goodbye guys.